Well, we'll watch 9 p.m. PST, August 22nd. We're going to start at Atlantic tonight because we got a new invest. It's forming in the central subtropical length near Bermuda. Um, it's 20% in the next 2 days, 50% in the next seven. And what can I say? There's a lot of systems. Let's be perfectly honest. And this doesn't look very good, but hey, you got a broad circulation there. Um, it's called 95L, 27 north, 59.3 west. Look at this. Some it does have some ball support. Go ahead northward in the next 2 days and northeastward. Um, GEFS also shows this. Not expected to become particularly strong. Intensity models do strengthen a tropical storm in the next couple of days. I agree with the 30%. I think this thing does have a chance of becoming decent. As for the Western Atlantic, we have a system right here. It looks decent, has some convection, but I doubt anything upgraded, that's for sure. It has a 20% in a couple of days. Extremely doubtful of the form, but we'll have to see as it moves east southeastward. Um, then we're going to have a system later this week move off the coast of Africa, have 40% at 7 days. And this system definitely has some support. Here's the GFS at 72 hours. Here's it at 96 hours. Wow, that's quite a goddamn storm there. Let's see if the ECMWF backs it up. Oh, wow, it does. Woo. Wow, that's not something you see very often this year, that's for damn sure. CMC backs it up. Let's go to 126. Oh, we got low on CMC. There's GFS. Uh, the new one's coming in, so I'll go back to 18Z. Um, let's go down to 126. What do we have here? 987 millibars. That's a goddamn hurricane. Moving west to west northwestward. Um, ECMWF definitely shows a low pressure. Let's top it out 144. Definitely, I agree with the 40%. I'd go closer to 60 with its current level of support. Tell you the truth. Um, let's go back to 18Z. Let's go to 126. This is the AI GFS. Oh, it shows it too. Literally, all models are showing a development of this system. That's pretty damn cool. EC at 144 also shows it. Interesting. Let's see what icon says. Ooh, damn. Look at that. Potentially a hurricane. Let's go to 162. Yeah, definitely breaking through the ridge a little bit more. Let's look at the GFS. Let's. This is at 42 hours on the 12Z. We'll go back to 18Z. Um, let's go to 180. Yeah. Let's go to 210. Boom, 975 multiplier. You have a hurricane off the coast of Mexico too at this point. Interesting. Of course, Eastern Pacific is going to be really active. 90. I expect at least one of the two investors there will develop into a tropical cycle, maybe two of them. Um, let's go to 264. Yeah, breaking for that, going around that edge of that ridge, heading northward at 958 millibars. But not quite as strong as that Eastern Pacific system. That's for damn sure. I mean, we got some serious support for some development of a Cape Verde system. What can I say? Her is 90. 1E. That's 50% chance. But, I mean, one could say it has been a depression for the last 24 hours. You definitely have an LC in here. And you have 92E, which probably is always a depression. Um, there's really no reason why they're not upgrading it yet. But hey, I mean, that's the AC. But yeah, it has 90% in the next 2 to 7 days and become better organized. Should move west northwestward at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Oh, 91 has 50%. I mean, I don't know. It could actually merge with 92, and most models actually do show that. And later this week, hey, that other system has 50% in 7 days. So that's going to be interesting in its own right. That's for damn sure. Um, let's take a look at 92E. And yeah, it's supposed to head northwestward for the next couple of days and west northwestward then after. Potentially become a hurricane by 96 hours. Yeah, I think it could get up to 55 to 60 knots personally. 91. Let's take a look at it. It's gonna take a while on the external. It could peak around the same goddamn time. I mean, if it doesn't merge, it could actually become pretty strong. It has pretty much the same potential. So we'll have to see. Could merge, of course. Next, we're gonna look at Lola. 31.3 north and 72.7 west. I think the Central Pacific Hurricane Center downgraded. Yes, a tropical storm. Um, but that's looking pretty fucking good. I mean, let's just be honest. It has the eye back. I mean, I could argue it is 65 knots again, based on its structure. But I head northwest for the next few days, becoming post-tropical low by 2 p.m. Thursday. And expected to start weakening. Let's see what the Central. Let's see if they changed anything since then. Uh, yeah, they definitely upgraded the Central tropical storm, but I kind of disagree. But it's going to be weakening anyway. Moke is 645 knots, expected to head west to west northwest for the next few days. Um, yeah, definitely getting sheared the shit. I mean, not just the way it is. Yeah, we're going to take a look at Sundown. I'm not really doing the Eastern Pacific anymore, but hey, that's quite the system. 110 knots. Expected to head towards China the next few days. Probably strengthen in an area the big landfall into China. Um, 19W is a weak system. Should move northward. Should affect any land. Yeah, that's your world watch.